Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to do is to open the contacts and find the contact you'd like to edit. So let me pick, for example, Anna. And as you can see, after tapping on it, here we've got the place for the photo, and basically all we can do is to simply tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner, and now we can tap on this, let's say, profile icon. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action. So I will pick the gallery, maybe just once. And as you can see right here, we will have our albums. So simply find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And right now from this tab we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. We actually and unfortunately cannot zoom in or out the photo, so we can just move and adjust this square. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So after setting it just like you want to, just tap on save in the left upper corner. As you can see, the photo has been applied, so remember to tap on this tick icon. It is very important in order to confirm. And as you can see, the contact has been saved, so you will be able to see this photo whenever you will open this contact, or for example during the incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.